Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll take you through a fast and easy step-by-step guide on how to register for a Credit One credit card. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Credit One website. Begin by navigating to the official Credit One website. Make sure to use a reliable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Choose your card. Once on the website, browse through the available credit card options. Credit One offers various cards catering to different needs, such as cashback rewards or rebuilding credit. Step 3. Click on Apply Now. After selecting a card that suits you, click the Apply Now button. This will direct you to the application form. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Carefully fill out the required information on the application form. This typically includes your personal details, such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Provide financial information. Next, you'll need to input your financial details, including your annual income and employment information. This helps Credit One assess your creditworthiness. Step 6. Review your application. Before submitting, take a moment to review all your entered information. Double-check for any errors or omissions, as these could affect your application status. Step 7. Submit your application. Once you're satisfied with your application, hit the Submit button. You might receive a decision instantly or within a few business days via email. Step 8. Set up online account. If approved, you'll need to set up an online account to manage your new Credit One credit card. Follow the prompts to create your account using your approval details. Step 9. Activate your card. Finally, once you receive your card in the mail, make sure to activate it by following the instructions provided. That's it. You've successfully registered for a Credit One credit card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.